If you're experiencing billing problems on Cash App, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A poor connection can cause issues with transactions and billing. Step 2. Review transaction history. Open the Cash App and navigate to your transaction history. Check for any unauthorized transactions or errors that may have occurred, as this can help identify the source of the billing problem. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Cash App. Go to your device's App Store, search for Cash App, and update it if a new version is available. This can fix bugs and improve functionality. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for any updates regarding your issue. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on Cash App. If issues continue, consider seeking further assistance from financial experts.